how to decarb your flour. Your silicone pad is at the bottom of the 1 or 2 power pods that you're using. Fill it with flour or shake. You put 1 pod here. If you're doing a second pod, you put it against the lid. You do not need the stirrer inside. You go activate and you press play. LÄVO C to activate, you just do basically the same thing. You fill this 1 ounce pod with either ½ ounce or 1 full ounce. No oil or anything yet. So if the pod is halfway full, press the button, activate it once. If the pod is full, 1 ounce, press the button twice. But after the first cycle, you can dump everything out, or you can just get a knife and stir it up and press activate for a second time. And that is how you make flour or shake ready so that you feel the effect. You do not need to dry flour or shake. It already comes dry when you buy it.